Thank you very much for attending our tutorial introduction to DataSHIELD. Professor Burton will introduce how, why, and what is DataSHIELD, focusing not only on the technical element and technical details, but the importance of data governance and how to prevent the reconstructions of data set through inference that could lead to identifying individuals, people. Professor Burton is a medical doctor, an epidemiologist, and an outstanding statistician. He is currently working for Newcastle University as the project manager and main investigator for the DataSHIELD project. And he is also working for Public Health in England on the current pandemic, COVID-19, giving some advice to the government. Enjoy!